Have you ever felt ng mga araw na ang daming binibigay sa activities? Well, I'm in that situation also. And I'm gonna be talking about it. Well, first of all, welcome everybody, and my name is Fritz, and I'm gonna be talking about our advocacy and share a little bit more about my life. So, what is our advocacy? Our advocacy is Unburdened Minds, helping students breathe under the weight of expectations. It talks about the effects of academic pressure on students mentally, physically, and their academic performance also. And it shows how to deal with academic pressure and how we can help each other out through times of need. Wait nga ba pinili ko to? Wala lang, trip ko lang, hindi, joke. Pinili ko to dahil gusto ko rin tulungan ang mga kapwa kong estudyante na naranasan ang academic pressure din, parang sa akin. People should know about our advocacy kasi if people are not aware the effects of academic pressure, di mas lalo mahihirapan ang mga estudyante na masolusyonan ang mga problema ng academic pressure. Sa akin ito kasi gusto din kayong matulungan as students also. Just like me, I am a grade 12 senior high school ABM student. At bakit ko pinilang ABM? Hindi ko alam din. For some reason, it's also not a bad decision for me. Kasi kung nag-TVL ako, ano kaya mangyayari sa akin? Ano kaya ang magagawa ko sa TVL? Ang ABM talaga ay nagbago sa akin. It changed me also, and it made me more smart. Ganun na lang. Pero it's not that it made me smart. It's the way I think that changed. First of all, when I was in grade 9, kasi pandemic lang ako eh, I used to be yung sirkulan, yung walang alam-alam na puro trip lang ang ginagawa, pero ginagawa ko pa rin yun, pero at least ako medyo mature na ako. Yung tropa kong grade 12 back when I was grade 11, I mean grade 10, introduced me to ABM at sinabi niya na maganda dito at easy lang to, but it's like I regretted it. Parang bumabawi ako sa feel ko, pero now that I'm in grade 12, I think I take it back. Kasi even if nahihirapan man ako, but meron naman tumutulong sa akin, o kaya ako na lang ang tumutulong sa aking sarili. Kaya yung advocacy namin ay talagang parang grabe, oh my god. At oo pero yun talaga, eye-opener talaga siya. It helped me how to manage my time, even if nagawa namin noong grade 9. Yun nga, it made us more it made us more aware that this issue is actually a common for every single student. We recommend you visit our website Unburdened Minds, and you will get to know more about the causes and other issues about academic pressure and how you find solutions to them. And that's all. My name is Fritz, and thank you for chatting with me for a while, and I hope to see you on the next vlog.